Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same vehicle as Fiat Freemont, guys. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the driver door control module, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So if you have problems that are related to the driver door, let's say something with the window switch not working, unlocking, locking, mirrors, anything like that, guys, there is a control module that it's behind that cover here, behind the door panel, and it controls everything in the door. So if the fuse is blown, nothing will work. Okay, your control module will not work at all. So stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, guys, okay, we will have more than 200 videos on this car, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. Now we need to go to the passenger side, okay, and we'll be under the glove box. You will notice that we removed our glove box, but you do not have to do that. We did that so we can gain a little bit more room and show you, okay, where all the fuses are. So we're underneath the glove box. On the right side you have that fuse cover here, pull it out, and now, guys, we need to locate fuse, okay, fuse number 122, okay, 122 right here. It says driver door 25M, that's for the driver door control module. So looking at the box, okay, like that, this one will be a 25M fuse, okay. It will be this middle fuse, okay, right here. You can see the middle one. You have 3 in a row, that middle one. This is for the driver door control module. So if you need to replace it, guys, pull it out, check it, and most likely it's a bad fuse. So if you need to find the fuse, it will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.